Welcome to the installation video for the Mueller solid surface rectangular shower seat. Please note, before we begin, we strongly recommend the seat bracket be mounted into structural framing behind the shower walls. Following is a list of tools recommended for the installation of the shower seat. Also, confirm the following parts are included in the carton: anchor screws, silicone, seat bracket, solid surface side panel and solid surface shower seat. Let's begin. Measure from the shower base floor upward to a height of 17 to 18 inches and mark on side wall of shower. Using a level, draw a horizontal line across the side shower wall at your marks. From the back wall of the shower to the outside edge of the bracket should measure approximately 23 inches. Hold the shower seat bracket along the line and mark the center hole of the bracket on the wall. Remove the bracket and drill a 3/16 hole only through the wall material. Place the bracket against the side wall aligned with the center hole of the bracket. Using your drill, install the anchor screw into the center hole. Confirm the bracket is level by laying a level across the bracket. Pre-drill and install the remainder of the screws. After the bracket is installed, there should be a gap between the bracket and the back wall. Apply silicone to the top of the bracket and along the gap between the side shower wall and the back of the bracket. Place the seat onto the bracket. Also apply silicone in the gap between the side of the bracket and the wall. Apply remainder of silicone to side of bracket and place side panel onto bracket. Press firmly to seat side panel. Apply tape or a clamp to secure side panel. Allow silicone to dry for 24 hours. Before use, apply color-matched caulking to all gaps around seat. That completes the installation of the Mueller rectangular shower seat. Thank you for watching.